guys, and today we're getting into the second playtest of IT Works Electronics Repair. So let's just jump on in, see what's different from the first one. The first one I just had to do a couple of telephones. So let's see, Modest Garage, yep, okay. You need to clean the garage. Well, that's a bit different. There's a lot of trash on the floor. Only gets in the way. No. It's a little bit different. Can I pick up multiples? I cannot. That's going to be a bit of a pain in the butt. Yeah, well, I'm gonna clean up all the mess, so give me a moment. So now we've got bags. It's a shame you can't just get multiple bags. Actually, no, I can't even put that in your inventory. So I'll do one more and that's it. And that's in my way. Okay, click on the mail icon. Read messages from clients, shop system notifications, shop offers. Okay. Box button to display all messages. First message. Okay, before we accept it, what do we got? Nice workshop, speechless. Okay, no sound. Check it regularly. Okay, you say that, but let's just jump in here for a sec. Like, okay. Problem with my phone, suddenly stopped making any sounds, blah blah blah. Okay. No sound, we can deal with that, that's easy. You watch, I say it's easy, and then I'm going to blow up a phone. On the left side of the screen is your backpack. On the right is container. Move on, so I drag them, or clicking the mouse button to automatically transfer them. Two on the ground. That's what I wanted. T button, then pick you up and put you in there. Correct one. Okay, hold that to put down. Repair your phone. Buy tools, different devices. Components require the use of different tools. So I've got to escape the table first. I keep forgetting that every single time. Okay, we want a soldering iron, we want screwdriver, we want spudger. Spudger, the other spudger. A multimeter. Okay. Now we just wait half an hour for a delivery. Okay, start. just come in here and just put my box down. Okay, so we've got the phone there, so I want to put multimeter there. Then that's budget I'll put there. And that one I'll put there. The soldering iron I'll put there. Okay, start the repair focus. Because repairs are not always easy. Of course they're always easy. Change the camera control by pressing B. Be good once the game comes out and you can change all these buttons. Sound is indeed not working. We got this spudger and spudgerate. Okay, backpack using tab. And let's communicate with each other through the PCB. Yellow traces. Why have I got that thing sitting there? Wedge to easily identify. Connections. Yep. Okay, and do not forget to disconnect the battery. It's one thing I must always remember. So let's start by checking the speaker. Let's measure its input pin in. Go in there. That's a fail. No voltage reading and a fail status. This means the signal is not reaching the speaker, but it does not necessarily mean the speaker is at fault. In this situation, we should trace the path backwards towards the power source. Then we have a fault. No signal. However, this still does not mean the audio processor is faulty. Let's measure its input. I'll tell you what, just dropping down like this all the time is starting to get a bit annoying. There's the spot that we're after. Need to fail. This means the audio processor is not receiving power. Unlikely because of this share. Right, let's just keep on going. Oh look, there's the capacitor. Right. Okay. Holding capacitor interrupted the flow. So we need a new capacitor. Must be replaced. It must. Safe line solder, you must first disconnect it from power supply. Otherwise, you get issues. See this? V does nothing. Let's bring the camera up. V's doing nothing. So very annoying. Stop it. Probably good, but I won't yet. Okay. That's a controller. Gonna need that as well. Controller parts, okay. Yeah, okay, so we've got controllers in the controllers in this playthrough, playtest. Yeah, I know, you want to throw it out, blah blah blah, whatever. Alright, shop, blah blah blah, that. Thank you very much. Now we log out. Wait for the courier again. I could have got all that before. Yeah, I'll get one more piece of rubbish. Okay. Interact with the table. It's not changing. Anyway, let's just grab the capacitor, throw it in. Solder line. Solder her up. Put that down, reconnect the battery. Right, so it's receiving voltage. You line up. There you go, it's a pass. Looks like the problem has been solved. Everything is lolly lolly. Okay, faults are visible to the naked eye when the component has burnt out, however many failures leave no physical signs. CPU output has failed. Status. There may be several possible causes. Maybe damage. Yeah, maybe it might not be. Lots of things could be damaged. Oh, you should always rush diagnostics and then jump to conclusions. Spend a lot of money, throw the parts cannon at it, and just charge the customer for it all, because that's a lot of electronics. Okay, some circuits provide power to multiple components at the same time. Well, I hope they do. Okay, this damage multiple components may stop receiving voltage at the same time, even though the power was still reaching it. Now solves itself maybe fault. Let's return to the audio issue. After replacing a faulted component, we should verify whether the device is functioning correctly. Okay, attach the screen. And then down test. Yep, makes a horrible noise. Push the screen off. Put it into one. Now we press 4. We stick that on the sides. Then we throw the screen on. Escape the bench. Phone is fixed. Now it's time to ship the delivery. You'll need a shipping box to send the repaired items safely. Oh, boy. Log out. Right, I'm just going to grab that capacitor and put it down. Grab that capacitor. Right, it doesn't want me to put it in 9. Go there. Okay. Put my boxes here. Oh, you there. Okay, now there. Which computer interact? Workshop admin. Manage your workflow. Let's see more in the orders section to access orders. Open my order, mark your orders, prepare to send. Leave computer. Go shipping box, approach it. And interact. Shipping label, okay. Oh, telephone. Put the telephone in the box. Now we pick up the box and we throw it over here. And that gave us $296. Repair also, oh yeah, this is the one with the noisy planes. Okay. Okay. Software and memory issue. Software and memory. Short circuit and burnt ROM memory chip. The phone shows absolutely nothing on the screen. Need someone to solder on a new chip? Well, I can just solder on a new chip, or you can send it to me and I will diagnose it improperly. Because that's what I do. If you've got money, I'll take it. I'll pretend to repair things. Okay, yeah. Throw it in the bin. Bunch away. Thanks. Well, I want to put that in there. See, I wouldn't mind being able to slightly better look at things. Yeah, that's your memory there, apparently. So a pass. That's a pass. Then you come over. You're here. You're a pass. You're a fail. Pass. So you want me to take that chip off and replace it? Yeah, well, everything else is passing, so that's what you want. I'll do it for you. Stick you into get the bench. Okay. Solder on a new chip. Well, I'll do that for you. Because just say that's what you want, and well, I'm IT, so that's what you ask, that's what you get. But careful what you wish for. Just move you down here for the moment. What's in my hand? drop it, grab it. You there. Interact. Let's pick up a spudger. Let's disconnect the battery. There. So, two in there. Grab you. All soldered up. Then that one, throw that on. Let's go to the bench for a minute. Okay, let's test this properly for a moment. Oh look, we still got a fail. Well, want me to change the chip? I changed the chip, and look, now you got fails everywhere. Oh no. Okay, I'll stop being silly now. Right. Let's reconnect that. Right, no OS. Still OS via the PC. Put it in. Where's computer? Okay, terminal. Use terminal app to communicate with the connected device. Okay, type help. HLP. Oh, I can do that. I don't think we need that, but yeah, see, they don't like being yelled at. Okay, apps. And then we want to run phone service. RUN E hiccups. Don't. Okay, now we need help again. Sure, I could have told me that I want to do something else, but anyway. Okay. And then connect. Not bad. Check memory. Underscore. I meant memory. Well, that does a pretty quick test as well. And then Flash, what you got? Come on, memory. Oh good, let's throw it back to the customer. So yeah, that's a new section, which is good. And then disconnect. And then exit. Then exit again. Okay, it's not as easy as the old DOS system. Glue the screen. Well, how about I get some glue to glue the screen? Workshop equipment. What do we have in here? Neons, posters, car models. Okay, let's screen adhesive. Got it. Don't know why I keep hearing trucks, because there are no trucks. Go. Pick up. Pick up. Put you in there. There has to be an easier way for them to do all of that. I'd pick you up, put you in there, come over here. Then we want sticks. Place you. Yeah, admin. Active. Good to send. It's not a bad price. Have it in the box. Throw that one away. Okay. Intercom. Located on the wall inside the workshop. From time to time, clients will call it and ask for help with a repair. To receive calls, it must be turned on, but is currently disabled. Well, hello. When the intercom rings, you'll hear a sound and see blinking light. Clients won't wait forever, so answer quickly so you don't miss the job. Professional look at my device. What's around there? Wipe the memory. Screen turns on but complains about no operating system. Sure. Okay. Switch that off for the moment. If you don't want any extra work right now, you can turn the intercom off and on at any time, the green light. Okay, well, Lucky I turned it off because I don't want to be disturbed. So, jump on here, go to terminal. Okay, we'll go here. Some apps. Okay. Phone service app. Data wiping, firmware, and system diagnostics. Okay, so you're gonna tell me what there is. Let's try. Oh. Right, check memory. Check that, because they did say memory. Phone is not connected. Oh, sorry, I forgot to connect. Right. You good? You're connected? Good. Okay. Checking the memory. And memory is functional, no operating. Okay, so let's flash then. Right, now we will check the memory. See what it says. Okay. So I'll just type in help so I can get my list back up. See it clearly. Connect, disconnect, da 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 da. Okay, so phone has been disconnected. Log out. Up. Look over there. Pick up that telephone. Now I want to put it there. That works. Oh, positive. Tenor test. Positive. Okay, pick up. Put in there. Your phone's good. That's 7 twice. Go we are. Right, you're done. $207. Just me to stand there and do that. Okay. 1, interact, done. Interact. Throw it in. And say adios amigos. Okay. Okay, you need the right qualifications, licenses. Okay, I've been going for 41 minutes, so hopefully this next one. Hopefully this next one is quick. Workshop admin. Press the progression button. With the licenses. You have enough money to buy a new course. Press the button with the available license to start comprehensive training. Which is this one. Only choice. Okay, collect the package. Don't have to work late at night. Nothing in there. She little fella, ain't you? Let's just put him in. There. I can't close that down and get rid of all the traffic sounds. Okay. Interaction. Okay. Oh, okay, I can do that. So it would help if I read instructions first. Where's the fun in that though? Okay. Gamepad tester. Well, press the buttons on the controller to see if they're working. Broken D-pad. Press escape. Stop interacting. I don't want to. Okay. Everything else is good. I can accept that. Okay, you need a screwdriver to open the gamepad. If you don't have one, you can buy it at the shop. Okay, I will need a screwdriver, and we all know I don't have a screwdriver. So, skills, one screwdriver. Not going to get a USB screwdriver, I'm just going to get a screwdriver. Then close the screw there. Alright, let's lots of screws. Just screw a screw. Okay, very good. You up. Oh. Yeah, I've got a screwdriver. What, do you want another screwdriver? You want a USB screwdriver? Well, I've got to leave there. Okay, I'll get a USB screwdriver if that's what you desperately need. So I really don't care. It's only a screwdriver. I shouldn't need one though. I remember last time I was playing this, that plane really bugged me. Oh, my screwdriver. How am I supposed to dismantle it? You need a screwdriver. I'll put that one there. Pick this one up. I'll put that one there. Okay. Interact. Number 2. Screwdriver. No worky. The buttons worky. No other things work. So yeah, I have an issue with this. Okay, nothing works there. Yes, we know it is broken. We understand this. What we don't understand is why I can't do anything with it. I'm holding a screwdriver and I can't screw any screws. Like, seriously. Okay, so this is where I'm going to leave this playtest because it's a bit broken, so I will give up now before it makes me cranky. And if I manage to get it fixed, I will leave a comment on the video. Yeah, let's skip the night. Let's have daytime. Okay, never knew that existed. Maybe I'll put that away. You're a bit brokered. Well, I'm not very good at my job if I can't get that to work. Am I? So, yeah, I'm going to leave this one here. There's a big problem with the screwdriver. I can't escape, can't jump out. Yeah, so like I said, I'll try this again later, and if I can manage to get it work, I will let you know in the comment section of the video, or I will do an extra little bit later on, but as for now, it's not working, so I'm gonna leave it here, guys. Hope it was a bit informative for you. It's nice to see there's a lot of new things coming into the game, and yeah, hopefully we can all enjoy it. Yeah, I'm not worried about that. Okay, so we'll see how this goes, guys. Okay, ciao for now.